Welcome back, fellow crypto traders. Following Bitcoin's sudden surge that happened yesterday, I am your host. Today will be giving you an event update for you guys to work on. As BITGET is launching Hotcoin event, which you can earn these tokens by several methods and part of the event. Let's dive in. Before we delving deep, a special reminder that this event will run from November 16th, 7 p.m., November 23rd, 7 p.m., UTC+8. So get prepared and buckle up. This event will be the moment BITGET is kicking off a new Hotcoins event, where you can grab a share of 10,000 USDT and 10,000 BGB. Here are the details. Activity 1, new BitGetters who make deposits can share 5,000 USDT. During the promotion, the first 500 newly registered BitGetters who make ORDI, Wojak, Pepe1, Sats, VMPX deposits worth at least 50 USDT will be eligible to receive a 10 USDT airdrop reward. Rewards are limited, don't miss out. Activity 2, new BitGetters who trade can share 5,000 USDT. During the promotion, the first 500 newly registered BitGetters who make spot trades with a trading volume of at least 100 USDT in ORDI/USDT, Wojak/USDT, Pepe1/USDT, Sats/USDT, or VMPX/USDT will be eligible to receive a 10 USDT airdrop reward. Rewards are limited, don't miss out. Activity 3, trade to grab a share of the 10,000 BGB airdrop. During the promotion, users who make spot trades with a trading volume of at least 100 USDT in ORDI/USDT, Wojak/USDT, Pepe1/USDT, Sats/USDT, or VMPX/USDT will be eligible to grab a share of 10,000 BGB according to their trading volume. Each user can get up to 500 BGB. Now that we've discussed the event details, let's explore how you can trade on BitGET. BitGET is a popular trading platform that offers a wide range of tokens and trading options. It provides a user-friendly interface, making it easier for you to navigate the crypto market. To get started, create an account on BitGET and explore the platform's features and trading pairs. Once you've created an account, you can fund your wallet and start trading these hot tokens we've discussed today. Remember, always do thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. And don't forget to take advantage of the tools and resources provided by BitGET to enhance your trading experience. This is your chance to make your mark in the world of Hotcoins. Join us for a sizzling adventure filled with challenges, rewards, and endless fun. The more you engage, the hotter it gets. And before we ended this video, make sure you read the rules for this event so you fully understand about this event and all the T and C. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe for more updates ahead.